Hello, my name's Crystal and I homeschool my daughter the Montessori way. I've been looking at videos where the stamp game division has been demonstrated. One good one was by Pete Gottfried, who seems to be demonstrating for his classroom students who have just learnt the stamp game, and he says in the video that it is the answer, or the quotient, is supposed to be in a single digit. Now, I created this video to show how it can be done for larger sums, or when the quotient is going to be more than single digit. Before we start, I want to show you the layout that I have here. This ice cube tray is a little bit unconventional for the stamp game. I've used it to simplify the process of substituting by putting the stamps into groups of 10. Here I have the stamps, additional stamps that I can use, and here are my little Skittles. I've used some coloured cubes in the colours of the units, tens and hundreds place values. So the sum that I'm going to be doing is 1,232 divided by 56. The dividend I'll begin by making with the stamps. I need 1,232. The divisor I'll be making 56 using 5 blue tens. Oops, there's one right at the bottom. And 6 units. So just to be clear, we have 1,232 divided by 56. First, I will start with the thousands. I don't have enough to complete the tens, to divide into the tens, so I need to substitute this for 10 hundreds. I'll just check this because it'd be very inconvenient to make a mistake at this point. 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll add this to my hundreds, and then I can start to divide these into the tens. 1, I'm at the end of the tens. It's time to go over to the units. Oops, I don't have enough to complete the row. I'm going to get more by substituting one of these hundreds here. And swapping that for another group of 10 tens. Just check that I have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So I can continue this until the end of the row. Being careful to line it up neatly. Now I'll just go back to the hundreds and repeat. I don't have enough to complete this row with the hundreds, so I'm going to substitute that for 10 tens. Just check again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Yep. Add that to the 10 I already have. And we're going to change colours here. Onto the units. I don't have enough to complete a row, so I need to substitute one of these 10s waiting over here for 10 ones. Okay, I have 10 units there. I'll add that to the units I already have and start making the row. Going back to the 10s for the next row. I've run out of 10s, but that's okay because I'm at the end of that colour at the top too with the divisor. So just moving on again to the units. I've run out of units, but that's also okay because I'm at the end of the row. So now I can say my answer. I go to the far right hand column under the final unit, and that should give the answer of how many each person or each group gets, which is 22. So my quotient is 22.